Hey everyone, welcome back to FixByte. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new user account in Windows 11. Whether you're setting up an account for a family member, a friend, or a work colleague, this process is quick and easy. So let's dive right in. First, open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen. Then select Settings, or you can type Setting in search bar. Once you're in Settings, click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage all the user accounts on your PC. Now, scroll down to look for the option of Other Users, and click on it. Over here, click Add Account button. At this point, Windows will ask you to enter an email or phone number for the new user. If the person has a Microsoft account, go ahead and enter their details. In this video, I will show you to create a local user account. For that, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Now, choose Add a User without a Microsoft account if you want to create a local account instead. Next, enter a username for the new account. Then, create a secure password and confirm it. You'll also need to choose 3 security questions and provide answers in case the password is forgotten. Once you're done, click Next. And that's it. The new user account is now created and ready to use. They can sign in from the login screen and personalize their settings as needed. That was super simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.